Welcome to this Dynamic Maps video where we'll explore how to use the measuring tools in MapThat mobile. Once the app opens, we centre over the UK. So bottom left hand corner, let's finger tap on the browse button. Let's choose the house, which is our home icon, and that zooms into this project's home location, which is Liverpool. Let's further zoom into our map just by pinching our fingers apart and notice the mapping updates to show us some streets and a park location there. Firstly, let's change our base mapping from OpenStreetMap. So bottom left of the screen, finger tap on the browse button, choose a third across, which is our layers button, choose base maps in the right, and let's change it from OpenStreetMap to OS Maps API, choose update, and we've now got some more accurate mapping. We could zoom in and we'd have Ordnance Survey Master Map, and that's what we're going to use to measure a distance. Bottom left, let's finger tap on the browse button. That's third from the right hand side of the measuring tool, so we'll finger tap on that button. It opens up two options. We can measure distances and we can measure area. Let's finger tap on measure distance. This opens up the distance measurement tool. We've got the units in the left. We've also got below where it says distance, how far we're going to travel. We can cancel out of this tool, and we can also reset the current line we've drawn and start again. Let's say we want to measure from someone's house to another one. Simply finger tap within the map to put a pin in the map, and then finger tap every time you want to change direction. So we're going to measure along this road as accurately as we want to, and we're going to come down this road here and then take a right hand turn into this street here and come to the end of this cul-de-sac. And when we want to finish, we double tap with our finger. Notice the line's gone from blue to red. It's told us we've completed our distance line. Top left hand corner, we've got our distance measurement, so 378 meters. We can change the units by pressing the blue change button. We've got any number of units we want there. Let's change that to, let's say, kilometers. Press done. Notice the units have now updated, or the values are updated to say 0.38 kilometers. Let's say we want to start drawing again. We simply press the reset button. The distance line disappears from the map, and we can finger tap in a map to start measuring a distance again. When we're finished, let's say we want to exit from the tool, just press cancel and the tool will close. Let's have a look at measuring an area now. So we'll just zoom out slightly and we'll have a look at this cemetery feature here. What we'll also do is just change the base map. So finger tap on layers, let's choose base maps, and this time let's choose the imagery base mapping and choose update. Map redraws instead of OS Maps. We've got the aerial imagery there. So bottom left again, let's finger tap on the browse button. Third from the right hand side, finger tap on the measuring tools, and this time let's choose measure area. Again, the measure tool opens at the top of the screen, so it's going to tell us the square area of the feature we draw, as well as the distance perimeter around the edge. Start drawing, simple finger tap at any of the locations along the border of this particular shape. We get a blue pin, and finger tap each time we want to change direction. So we're going to measure our distance along here. Let's say we're going to come to this point here and include this part by the church. And when we want to finish, we just double finger tap in the screen. Notice instead of a blue line, we've now got a red shaded polygon. Top left of the screen, we've got the square meters for that particular area. And we've also got the distance in meters around the edge, the perimeter. Again, we could change the units if we wanted to meters or miles. We could actually choose hectares. I choose done. Notice we don't have a perimeter, so we can't get that in hectares, but we do have the square area in hectares for that shape. Again, simply pressing reset will allow us to actually start drawing again within the tool, so we can simply left click and we could remeasure that if we wanted to. And when we're happy and we've finished with the drawing tool, simply press the cancel button and the measuring tool will close. That's how to use the measuring tools within MapThat Mobile. Many thanks for watching the video.